Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys this dress to impress hack. So I'm trying to make the Perry the Platypus costume, but it's another way of making it. It's actually pretty cool. You're going to go here and you're going to get an apple, color it white and the stem black, and then select rotten to the core. Then you're going to select this and you're going to color it all orange, like I'm doing right now. Just for the beak, I know it doesn't look the part right now. And then you're going to get a hat. You can use any hat you want. I'm just going to use this. You can use something else if you want to, that's fine. Then for the tail, oh my gosh, this is so silly, but it's fine. For the tail, you are going to need this item here. Toggle it to the fifth one and select no chains and no texture. Go to patterns. Or you can just color it like orange, I guess. If you don't have the time to load these because it's taking a long time. Then I'm going to select this one for the tail. Okay, for the outfit, I literally forgot the outfit. We are going to use this. Color it the same as the skin tone. And then this. And then I'm just going to color it the same as the skin tone. Once you're done, it's starting to kind of look like Perry. But you're just going to want to go to poses and you're going to go to the fantasy pose pack, select mage, and voila, this is Perry the Platypus. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. It's kind of funny, but don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.